think one of the great illusions that we surrender somewhere along the way in the path to waking up is that we are separate, that we're separate from the rest of nature. And I think the more disconnected we are, or the illusion of disconnection is causing us a lot of mental and physical harm. And
Yeah.
recognizing we are part of that ecosystem, not separate from it, I think is
Well, I
awesome.
think, I mean, that's why people say like go outside and just take your shoes off and get grounded, right? I mean,
Yep.
like it's the simple concept of just, humans were never really designed to work in an office and be in front of screens all day long. And I think that's what for me kind of resonates and why I get so drawn to being outside and why I love working with my hands and doing cool things. And, if you actually look at it, it's historically humans were never designed to do what we do, right? Our bodies are designed to be in nature, to run around, to work the fields, to do interesting things. And we're seeing challenges that we've never faced before. I'm 40, turning 41. I aged myself and I have cataract issues. And I'm like, how do I have cataract issues at 41 years old? A lot of the thesis is that it's because of all the screen time.
Yep.
So I actively try to now be off the screen, especially on the weekends. I try not to work as much on the weekends. Go up to the country, spend time outside. I like building things. So like I'll build like a
Yep.
bench for the backyard, or I built like a coffee table like a couple of weeks ago. And so it's just I like to just be creative and kind of work with my hands.